Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to share my experience with certain features in Ford Freestyle Titanium Plus model which really helped me a lot in low light condition during my recent trip to Kabini. So those are auto headlamps, auto dimming, internal rear view mirror, and of course the reverse parking camera which has got a clear view even in the low light condition. Okay, let's start with reverse parking camera. So the parking is very tight here. First of all, I need to clear the two walls inside my parking by looking around, and after that there is a hump near the compound wall which is just opposite to my flat, which I need to be more cautious else it will definitely going to scratch my bumper. So this camera which is giving me a clear view of what is behind me and just helps me avoid a collision, and in this tight situation it is helping me a lot. Keep watching. So I will just freeze that point to show you how it is clearly showing that object. The screen turns dark once I turn on the headlight. The bluish green colored lights on the volume controller knobs, AC controller knobs, as well as on the instrument cluster is really pleasant to my eyes. Okay, I need to follow the drill of taking few forwards and reverse just to bring my car out of the street. Once that is done, we will see the performance of the headlight in Ford Freestyle. So here we are in a flyover now. So once we clear this flyover, we will reach the highway. Let's start with the high beam along with fog lights turned on. So there is a black spot. I need to check with service center if they could fix this, or should I live with this. Still it is giving me the clear picture of what is in front as well as on the side, though there is no vehicle throwing a high beam opposite on the opposite side. I believe it should perform decently well, even though when there is a vehicle opposite to you and throwing a high beam. And low beam, I'm completely satisfied. It is really perfect with the focus as well as on the it is giving me a clear view of what is in front as well as on the side. Low beam, I am completely satisfied. Only with the high beam I am noticing some black spot. Final one is the auto dimming internal rear view mirror. This is one of my personal favorite feature in Ford Freestyle. So it turns bluish and it completely filters out the lights coming from the high beam of the vehicles behind me, and once the sensitivity of the lights goes down, it becomes crystal clear, and it works pretty well. It gives me the clear picture of what vehicle is coming behind me, whether it's a truck, it's a bus, it's a car. I can get the clear view of what is behind me. So I have driven Kwid as well as Baleno. In Kwid I used to completely fold the mirror towards the up just to avoid the lights reflected to my eyes, which used to create a headache. In Baleno, where there is a manually operated IRBM, because I have driven the Delta model, it doesn't give you the clear picture. It will just show you the headlights, but you cannot guess, or you cannot get the view of what vehicle exactly it is. You can just see headlights in that mirror. Okay guys, we have come to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you have really liked this video, please hit the like button as well as subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you soon in another video. Still then, Arun signing off.